Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to put video on Capcut application. It's quite easy. So first thing we have to do is open the Capcut, and then for the second you can just choose the new project, and after you access the new project you will be able to access several options here. First thing is video, second is photo, third is live photos, and then for the fourth is stock videos. Means that the stock videos is the videos that provided by the Capcut for the user, so you can just explore any video that you want to have from here. But if you want to go with your own video, you just need to go with the video, so it will be linked with your device. You just need to choose which video that you want to upload, just exploring everything here. After you find one, you just need to click add. That's all. That's how the way you put a video on a project on Canva. On a Capcut. But what if you want to add more video when you already have the video on a project or open the project? You just need to go with this plus button here. Just need to click plus, and then you will be having access to explore more video on your gallery. For example, if you want to be this, just click add. Okay, it will be the same. If you want to add a stock video, just go into the stock video, choose the videos that you want to add into your project, and after you finish, you just need to click it, click add, and now you're done. That's all the way how you put a video on a Capcut. All the video is already under your project. Okay, if you find out this guidance, this tutorial is very useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.